If you want to combine two images in GIMP and make them look clean and blended together, this video is going to walk you through the full process step by step. Whether you're creating a thumbnail, a social media graphic, a banner, or just experimenting with image editing, this is one of the easiest skills to learn in GIMP. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open GIMP on your computer. Once it loads, you need to bring in your first image. Go to the File menu, click Open, and then select the base image you want to use. This first image will be the background or foundation for your project, so choose the one you want underneath everything else. After it opens, you'll see it appear in the main workspace. Now it's time to add your second image. Go back to the File menu, but this time click Open as Layers. This is important because it places the second image directly on top of the first one, instead of opening it in a separate window. Select your second image and click Open. You should now see it appear in the Layers panel as a new layer above your base image. At this point, the two images are combined inside the same project, but they may not line up the way you want yet. That's completely normal. The next step is to adjust the position and size so everything fits properly. If you want to move the top image, press the M key on your keyboard to activate the Move tool. Then click and drag the image into place. You can position it anywhere on the canvas depending on the look you want. This is useful if you're trying to align a face, a logo, an object, or any element from one image onto another. If the top image is too large or too small, use the Scale tool. Press Shift and S on your keyboard to activate it, then click directly on the image you want to resize. You'll see corner handles appear around it. Drag those handles to make the image bigger or smaller. If needed, you can also use the center handle to move the image while scaling it. Once you're happy with the size, click Scale to confirm the change. Sometimes when you place a second image on top of the first one, parts of it may get cut off by the edge of the canvas. If that happens, don't worry. Just go to the Image menu and choose Fit Canvas to Layers. This will automatically expand the canvas so the full image is visible. It's a really useful fix when your layer extends beyond the original document size. Now that both images are positioned correctly, you can start blending them together. One simple method is to create a soft fade effect. To do that, click the top layer in the Layers panel and lower the opacity slider. As you reduce the opacity, the top image becomes semi-transparent, allowing the image underneath to show through. This is perfect if you want a gentle overlay or a more artistic look. For many projects, that's all you need. But if you want a more polished result, you can keep adjusting the placement, scale, and opacity until the two images feel like they belong together. Zoom in if needed and check the edges carefully so your final result looks neat and professional. The great thing about this method is that it keeps both images editable. You can always go back and move them, resize them, or change the opacity later without starting over. That's one of the biggest advantages of using layers in GIMP. So, to quickly recap, open your first image with File and Open, add the second one with Open as Layers, move it with the Move tool, resize it with the Scale tool, use Fit Canvas to Layers if needed, and then blend everything together using the opacity slider. That's the basic workflow for combining two images in GIMP. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more GIMP tips, editing tutorials, and easy software walkthroughs. And if you want, keep watching for more beginner-friendly guides that make image editing simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.